Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey, get y'all ass on the road, twin. Nigga, you finna hit this supercharger. Nigga, move, nigga. What's wrong with y'all? Big head ass nigga. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Science TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video on the big cat. You feel me? As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, you feel me? Your boy is doing a POV with the big body shotgun. It's actually little, you feel me? But we run with a shotgun, you
Holy
feel me?
Jesus.
What is? Oh, we almost on the road. You feel me? Big body 12 gauge shotgun, you feel me? But yeah, so we doing a POV, you feel me? We finna be going through, I guess we gonna be, you feel me, just driving around, you know, driving the cat with the big shotgun, you feel me? If you run up on me with this, it's over with, twin. You might well go ahead and prepare for cremation, but you ain't gonna be able to even get a casket, twin. They bit leaving the hole the size of goddamn meteorites in your ass, no cap. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. These tires is not good for a dig. I was racing people yesterday from a dig, and this car will not hook to save his life. Hellcat is strictly for road racing, unless you running like a drag pack or something. I don't care how wide your tires is, twin. Which these tires that I got on here is not like the best tires ever. They actually is very, very cheap, but still, this bitch spin crazy. I also want to tell y'all boys, happy Easter. It is Easter Sunday. Y'all will be getting this video within like a couple hours. Like, this video will be posted like 3 hours after I made it, you feel me? So I want to tell y'all boy happy Easter, you feel me? Now I don't need y'all niggas eating no Easter eggs and choking on them hoes and dying. That's the worst way to die. Take y'all time eating them Easter eggs, you feel me? Them boiled eggs, you feel me? You can't lose our life to eating food, no doubt. I gotta be careful over here though, cause 12 be creeping out on God. And they've been doing some weird stuff lately. They tried to throw spike strips out at our ass last night. Them boys ain't playing no games. I don't know what Birmingham been on. They've been trying to stand on business. But I ain't gonna lie, these tires do hook way better, like all around. Cause I couldn't even do no rolls at first. Let's see, I'm trying to figure out what way I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, and I also want to tell y'all boys, I appreciate y'all getting me to 4,000 subs. Right after I posted the video, which will be like right up here somewhere with the Draco, you feel me? I gained like 40 subscribers on that video, and that video did perform very well. So that's why I got the big shotgun, you feel me? Let me put that bit down before somebody called the goddamn U.S. Marshals on my ass, you feel me? But that's why we got the big shotgun with us today, you feel me? Don't run up on me, trust me. So the same thing we did to the other video, you feel me? We got like 100, I think like 130 likes. Let's try to get 150 likes on this video, you feel me? I know y'all can make it happen because y'all did it with the Draco video. We're gonna make a little right through this part because down there the road is so messed up. And they didn't even put my, it's like a little plastic shield that go over the oil pan. They didn't put my pan on right. And I don't want that bit dragging, you feel me? That bit sound crazy. Damn, they got the ducks and shit in the road. Hey, get y'all ass out the road, twin. Nigga, you finna hit this supercharger. Nigga, move, nigga. What's wrong with y'all? Big head ass nigga. I don't know what be wrong with these ducks. These niggas act like they don't want to move out the way. I hit that with that 12 gauge. I bet you they move out the way. Oh God. I'm playing about was to shoot one of them damn birds. It's routes for me. I don't know how the police gonna figure it out, but they gonna figure it out I did it. No doubt. Should we do a little 0 to 60, like a little lunch control, so I can show y'all boys how bad the Hellcat is on the lunch? Yeah, we finna do that. We gonna start right in the middle. Right there. Hold down the button. Too bad for a 700 horsepower car, but y'all get the gist. This bit right here do not like, you feel me, lunches. Now from a road, that bit be cutting up, no cap. Like on the freeway, this car is crazy. I love driving this car on the freeway. I thought that was 12 on God, nigga. My heart dropped. I was like, I know Homewood finna get my ass hell. Oh God. It been handled pretty good too. My boy happy as hell on everything. My boy Felipe over there be happy as hell. Make sure ain't nobody coming and get our ass smacked. See, look how we taking these corners. Who said a Hellcat can't corner? I'm just playing. That big dude corner way better lower though, y'all. Just don't give it too much gas going around the corner, or the back end gonna be, you gonna look to the left and your back end gonna be over there, on God. And I also need to check to see if these 315s been rubbing any. Cause if y'all don't know, I am running 315s now on the Cat. You feel me? And I'm lowered. So I really need to see is my tire like messed up or anything. I think it rubbed just a tad bit though. But it's not bad at all. should have went that way, but oh well. This gonna be my I don't know, I was gonna say my last video of my hood off for probably about a couple weeks. The hood will be going, oh, I forgot about that little road. It wasn't too bad though. I see the churches is filled up. That's why I need to be at church, but I don't think I could bring a Hellcat to church, you feel me? It got hell in the name. They might sacrifice my ass if I bring this Hellcat to church. They all gonna dress up in some black suits. They gonna sacrifice my ass. No Hellcats allowed on God's premises. Why they throwing their hand up? None about. I don't even know what I'm finna say, y'all. I be so lost sometimes. I see them boys selling Easter baskets. Y'all wanna pick up an Easter basket? Come to the churches. It's a Texaco gas station right here with one gas pump. You feel me? Go ahead and pick our boys up an Easter basket for y'all kids. I don't got no kids. The only thing I got is the cat. You feel me? No doubt. What it is in front of us, a little 5-0. We'll let them live today. Damn, twin. That nigga impatient as hell. Dr. Doofus murdered head ass nigga. I need to calm down because I know Midfield police somewhere. No boy definitely be hiding out. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and go home and get this video edited. You feel me? Go ahead and get it uploaded so when y'all niggas get out of church, y'all boys can have something to watch. Like I said, do not choke off no Easter egg and die, please. I do not need none of my subscribers dying to choking on a damn Easter egg. So with all that being said, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Our next subscriber goal is 5,000, and we will be doing a giveaway when we hit 5,000, you feel me? So let's go ahead and, you know, accomplish that achievement, you feel me? And I also do appreciate everything y'all boys done, you feel me? Watching the videos, you feel me? all that good stuff. Give me up to 4,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I never thought I'd be where I'm at. You feel me? But this gonna wrap it up. I'll see y'all boys next time. Peace.